Then I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. And I wasn't going.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're doing some nails. Yes, y'all already know this is a freestyle. She just showed me a picture of what she was wearing, and I just thought that this set will go best with anything that she wear, because I don't know, I feel like I wanted to do the set based off her look, but not solely around her look. You know, because you don't want to wear your nails and stuff like that, and your nails is like lime green and just all over the place, and you can't wear them with everything. But I just wanted to be like a universal set, basically. Like, she could just wear this set with anything. Like, it goes with it goes with anything that she wears. I think I said that already, but I know she was wearing something chrome to the concert. I think it was the Megan Thee Stallion concert that she was going to. I believe it was Megan Thee Stallion, because Rob 49 them coming down the Friday. So yeah, I think it was Megan Thee Stallion. But how y'all doing today? How y'all feeling? Good vibes only, positive people. And that's what I like about my YouTube channel. I really don't get no negative comments unless it's like people I feel like trolling me. I'll just always have something to say. I'll think they know more than you, or think they know everything. I don't like those comments. But I don't really get those. Like, y'all know the comments when people under y'all stuff and they telling y'all how to do something or what they would do and how to do this and they like, okay, if you know how to do this and you think this is what's best for me, do it yourself, because it's clearly I'm doing it the way that I want to do it. It's clear that people do things that they want to do. I mean, it's easy on getting tips. If y'all giving me tips on something, then yeah, don't try to sit up here and tell me how to do nothing that I know how to do. That's just a no for me. I don't call it what y'all want. I don't like shit like that. Like, don't come over here trying to tell me how to shape anything. Don't come over here trying to tell me, oh, you should lay the acrylic this way. You should do this and that. I don't want to hear none of that, because none of y'all was in the field with me when them sets was lumpy, loosey-goosey, and thin, and thick as a golf ball. Y'all was not with me. So don't sit up here and try to tell me how to do anything. I'm just rambling, but no, for real. I'm kind of happy that my channel is mostly full of positive people, and I love that for y'all. I love that for us. We don't do no negativity over here. And if you do come over here and you're a new subscriber and you new to this channel and you is being negative, baby, you're getting removed. I don't know how to block people on YouTube. I really don't know how to work YouTube just yet, but you get removed, and y'all gonna have to subscribe to me and go the whole 9 yards and make a whole nother YouTube channel to watch me, because you're getting blocked and removed. I don't play that shit over here. So yeah, and life's been great, because in the old video, well, not an old video, but like in my 2-3 recent videos. Was it my recent video? No, it wasn't. It was one of them videos where I was like really going through it, but I still uploaded my content because I didn't just want to leave y'all high and dry hanging just because I was going through my own personal things. But I am in a better headspace now, and I am ready to rock and roll. Like, baby, we're gonna keep this show on the roll. We're gonna keep this show on the roll. We're gonna keep it going, you know? So thank y'all if y'all been here since the beginning, since I started at like, because when I made my channel, I was like at 20 subscribers easily fast. But if y'all been here since the beginning, thank y'all for that, because y'all already know I'm doing a giveaway. I said that earlier when I first started. I'm doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. It might not be much, but it's definitely going to be like a starter kit for people who's doing that, like a beginner kit. It doesn't matter if you're a rookie or, you know, you advanced and stuff. I'm just going to give it away. Make like a little care package. And sometimes I don't record all the steps that I do on the nails. I just put in the parts that I think y'all will want to watch. I prep the nails off camera and I buff the nails off camera too. Sometimes I debulk the nails and seal in the cuticles off camera too. But this time I decided to put it in the video. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I don't know why I do that. But you know, I just figured y'all wouldn't want to watch that because nails can take a long time, especially when they're long. But y'all don't have no choice. So whatever I put out, y'all gonna enjoy it no matter what. Moving on to my favorite part, which is the designing part. I'm just doing this straight off the head, straight off the dome. This set is really not a picture inspo, so I'm just really freestyling her nails at this point. And this is the finished results. If y'all like my video, give my video a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. As y'all know, I do hair, nails, and makeup. She came in for a wig install and nails. Y'all can book this combo on my booking website for any future bookings with me. And thank you all for watching.